For more examples, let us try examples number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you are asked to factor out the GCF, and then if you cannot factor it, you write as prime. So let us have number 1, 16p to the power of 4 plus 4p cubed. So what are you going to do? First, you look at the numerical coefficients. You have 16 and 4. Now we know that 16 is divisible by 4. So you can have 4 times 4p cubed. P to the power of 4. And then 4 is divisible by 4 also. 4 times 1. We do not write 1 anymore. Kaya kibaw naman ta nga 1 is a factor of any number. And then we choose our common. What's our common monomial factor? You have 4 and 4. So that is our GCF. So you have 4. And then for the variable, you choose the variable with the least exponent, that is cube. So you have now our first, this is our first factor, 4p cubed. This is our first factor. For a second factor, we divide the numerical coefficient. We divide the polynomial by the GCF. So let us have the polynomial. The polynomials are 4p cubed to the power of 4 divided by GCF is 4p cubed plus 4p cubed divided by 4p cubed. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Following the laws of exponent, p to the power of 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. P to cube divided by p cube is also 1. So you have now our second, what do you call that? Second factor. Therefore, our final answer will be the factored form of 16p to the power of 4 plus 4p to the power of 3 is, we write the first factor first, 4p cubed. And then you enclose the second factor in the parentheses, 4p, or you can erase 1 because we know that all variables has an imaginary exponent of 1. So 4p plus 1. You have now your factored form. Klaro ba? Then we proceed to the next example. So our next example is 9x. We factor out 9x plus 36. We know that 36 is divisible by 9. That's 9 times 4. So we do not factor 9 anymore. We simply find the common. Say common nila, 9. So that is our GCF, 9. Therefore, 9 is our first factor. So we divide the polynomial 9x by the GCF 9 plus 36 by the GCF 9. 9x divided by 9 is x. 36 divided by 9 is 4. This is now our second, what is this? Our second factor. Now we can now write 9x plus 36 into its factored form. What is the factored form? You copy your first factor 9 and then you enclose your second factor x plus 4 in a parenthesis. You have now your factored form. Okay, so for our next example, we have 9x to the power of 6 minus 63x cubed minus 90x squared. So what can we find in 9 that is also in 63 and also in 90? Oh, that is our GCF. What is it? 9 is 9 times 1. 63 is 9 times 7. 90 is 9 times 10. So what is the common? 9. And then for x, you choose the one with the least exponent. This is now our first factor. For our second factor, we divide each term in the polynomial by the GCF. So 9x to the power of 6 divided by 9x squared minus 63x cubed divided by the GCF 9x squared minus 90x squared divided by the GCF 9x squared. So 9 divided by 9, that's 1. X to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 2, that is x to the power of 4. You simply subtract the exponent. Minus 63 divided by 9 is 7 here. Now, so x cubed divided by x squared, x simply subtract the exponent. Minus 90 divided by 9 is 10. X squared divided by x squared is 1. Therefore, now you have your, what do you call this? Your second factor. This is your second factor. So you can now write your expression in factored form. Therefore, 9x to the power of 6 minus 63x cubed minus 90x squared can be written in factored form as, you write your first factor first, 9x squared. Then you enclose your second factor in a parenthesis, x to the power of 4 minus 7x minus 10, then you close. You have now your factored form. Is it clear? Let's proceed now to number 4. So number 4, again, you find your GCF. What is our GCF? Do you know our GCF? Our GCF. What is common in 14 and 7? Of course, 7. Because 14 is 7 times 2. And 7 is 7 times 1. So 7, your GCF. For x, you choose the least exponent, 2. And for y, you choose the least exponent, 2. This is now our first factor. For second factor, we divide each term in the polynomial. 14x squared, y squared, divided by your GCF. 7x squared, y squared, minus 7x squared, y to the power of 6, divided by your GCF. 7x squared, y squared. 14 divided by 7 is 2. X squared divided by x squared is 1. Same as y squared divided by y squared. Minus 7 divided by 7 is 1. X squared divided by x squared is also 1. Y to the power of 6 divided by y to the power of 2 is y to the power of 4. Simply subtract the exponent. You have now your quotient. Your quotient is your second factor. So you can now write the expression in factored form. Therefore, 14x squared, y squared minus 7x squared, y to the power of 6 is equal to, you write your first factor first, the GCF, 7x squared, y squared. And then you enclose your second factor in the parentheses. Second factor is 2 minus y to the power of 4. You have now your factored form. Question? Let us now proceed to our last number, number 5. What is the GCF? Our GCF is 5. Because 30 is 6 times 5. And 5 is 5 times 1. So you have common. What's the common? 5. For x, you choose the least exponent, 2. And for y, choose the least exponent, 2. This is now our first factor. For the second factor, we divide each term in the polynomial. Negative 30 x to the power of 11 y squared divided by your GCF. 5 squared minus y squared. Then plus 5x squared y cubed divided by your GCF. 5x squared y squared. So you divide negative 30 divided by positive 5 is negative 6. X to the power of 11 divided by 2 is 11 minus 2, 9. Then y squared minus y squared is divided by x squared is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. X squared divided by x squared is 1. Y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2 is y. You have now your, what's this? Your second factor. Your second factor. So you can now write your expression in factored form. Therefore, 30 negative 30 x to the power of 11 y squared plus 5x squared y cubed can be written as in factored form. You write your first factor first. What is the first factor? You find your GCF. The GCF is 5x squared y squared. Here is your GCF. And then you enclose your second factor in the parentheses, negative 6x to the power of 9 plus y. Close. You have now your factored form. Question, I hope everything is understood.